Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is the first video about K-beauty. Today I want to tell you about my experience with K-beauty, and before I start the video, I just want to say sorry if my English is not really good because my first language is Bahasa Indonesia, and this is special for K-influencer from Korea.net. I hope everyone can watch this video. The first one, I know K-beauty. At the time, I didn't know much about Korean beauty product, but in Korean drama, I saw the makeup from the actress is really nice. They just like a natural and flawless makeup. So I really want to know how they did their makeup. And then I know the glowing skin is not only because the makeup. They always use the skincare. On January of 2018, I really know about skincare. At that time, I buy the first product from Korea. Tada! Nature Republic Shooting and Moisture Aloevera 2% Shooting Gel. This is the first skincare from Korea. I use this one for my face. At that time, my friend always asked me how do we to make the face glowing because my face is really glowing. I tell them that I use this one. This product is really famous in Indonesia and maybe in the world. In Indonesia, you should wait and join pre-order to have this product. And then on 2018, Nature Republic is come in Jakarta in Indonesia. I saw in Jakarta so many people have to make a queue. They just make a line and then they wait for get the product, and only one people will get one product. 1 year, 6 months using this product, my skin have problem. I don't say it's because this one, but I think because the weather in Indonesia really random, my skin become so dry. And September 2019, I find the new product that I want to buy from Korea. It's not really new, but I just know that product at that time. This one. I don't have the bottle anymore. I saw the review first about this product. They say the beauty vlogger, the beauty influencers, and so many people said that product is really worth to buy because my skin is have problem. The serious one. I think I need to buy the starter kit one. Around 25 days are already finished, almost all of the product, so I buy the full size, all of the product with the full size. I use that product until finish, around 2 or 3 months, and then I find the new product, this one, Snail Truecica Miracle Repair Serum. This product always sell like they have niacinamide and something like the natural one, and then the Korean product always say they sell the bright product one, not the whitening product one. Then I use this one already more than 4 bottles, the full one. I really like this product. This product is make me like I find the medicine for my scars. In Bahasa we call bopeng. Saya punya banyak bopeng di muka ini, and then when I use this product, I think make my skin like reduce that one. I really interesting about the other product from that series. Yeah, I watched Suhai Salim from Indonesia. She said this product is really nice, and then I tried to buy the starter kit. I buy that one. Finish around 20 days. After finish, I buy the full one from the series. I have the serum, I have the cream, and then also the toner. I really love this product. I don't know why, like this product so helpful for my skin. Influence my friend to buy that product. Maybe the close friend around 10 already buy that product, and then they repeat order. Some of them really like the product. Even I'm not the ambassador one, but I think like I want to share if that one good for my skin and then maybe good for your skin. But I always ask them to buy the Dapet one. Why? The skin is really different and unique, right? And some of them is sensitive. I also have this one, but I don't have the product again because I already give to my sister. This one is sunscreen, but because the undertone is pink and my undertone is yellow, whenever I use that product, my face become gray. In Bahasa we call abu-abu. So I don't really confident to use that product, so I give to my sister. My sister have the oriental skin. Her skin is really like a Korean girl. I give to her, and whenever she use that product, she really nice. Her face is really nice. I see it. The best sunscreen that she had. And then all of the product that I buy, I always buy from Korea, South Korea. Why? Because I think if I buy the product from the real country, it will be the original one. Even though I have to wait for long time to get the product. The online shop that sell the product in description below. I also have two product, the lip product from Korea. This one is a tint. I really like this one, the Inisfree one. This is the cherry one, and this is the result. Look at this. And then one more, my uncle goes to Korea and I asked him to buy the lip product, so he buy the red one also. This one, Inisfree lipstick, real fit lipstick. I will swatch in here. Tara, nah, this one. And I also will show you the Liptint one. So two of this is red. This is the lipstick and this is the Liptint from Inisfree. So that's all from me about the Korean beauty product that I have. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm sorry language is not really nice and also my subtitle is not really nice. I just want to try give my best, and I hope next video about Korea I will make something different and really nice. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.